Hi, everyone. I often hear people say that reliability-centered maintenance is a process that's used to reduce proactive maintenance. Now, if you were to ask me that question, I would say it depends. I've worked with organizations that implemented reliability-centered maintenance, and they were able to reduce the amount of proactive maintenance that they do by more than 50% in some cases. And I'm talking about organizations that have equipment such as aircraft, manufacturing equipment, and mobile support equipment. But here's the thing. Their maintenance plans were decades old, and they were formulated when it was believed that equipment failure was more likely to occur as things got old. So their maintenance plans were really high in scheduled overhauls and really high in scheduled replacements. So there was a big opportunity to reduce proactive maintenance. Now, let's say your organization has a more reactive environment. That is, you don't do a whole lot of proactive maintenance, but you suffer from a lot of downtime and chronic unreliability. If you were to apply reliability-centered maintenance, you would probably increase the amount of proactive maintenance that you're doing on your equipment, but you would probably see your equipment reliability increase and your downtime decrease. So, does reliability-centered maintenance, can it reduce proactive maintenance if you apply it? Well, absolutely, but it depends. Really, we need to keep our eye on the ball, and we need to identify good proactive maintenance that's technically appropriate and worth doing, and other default strategies to make sure our equipment serves us the way we need to. And I can't think of any better process to use to do so than reliability-centered maintenance. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.